guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Twitter. Now, earnings is coming up for Twitter after market closes on April 29th. So your April 30th expiration cycle, you're pricing in right around a $7 expected move currently. So IV is ticking up in here. IV rank is 44. So everything's coming in here. Even tomorrow's expiration, you have around a $2 expected move. So that's pretty crazy for a $65 stock with basically only one trading session left. So going forward, where does that put us on the daily chart here? Basically, we're stuck right in between the 64 and the $70 range. So earnings is obviously going to help us out with this. But until then, basically, we have to find some footing in here somewhere. Even if it's the 65, right now we're sitting at 65.40. And resistance wise, it's basically going to be this 50-day moving average. So we have to find something in here to kind of cross over and kind of break and hold. It might be that 50-day moving average, which is more or less trading right around that 68.50 level. So we'll see what happens. You have like I said, $2 expected move by tomorrow. IV's really kicking in, and you have a $7 expected move. The expiration cycle of earnings. So we'll see what happens. Stochastics, RSI, 28 and 53. Don't really have to worry about them that too much with earnings coming up. It just looks like that we're primed and ready to have a nice little pop in here into earnings next week. But we'll have to wait and see what happens. Obviously, it all depends on the market. Obviously, everything was rocked by the news today. That's why you had a nice $3 pullback in here. SPOOs are currently up right now. We are green, but relatively flat. So we're up about 5 right now. So we'll see what happens. But again, just remember that we're staying in this little chop zone right here, 64 to 70, and just see if we can find some footing in here right around that 65 or that 68 level. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached links to our socials in the description, and we also have a swing trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.